Hey guys, Ben again here. Haven't made a video in a little while, but someone asked me to do an update video on this one, and this is it. But I'm also going to be unboxing the wallet that I'm going to be using after this one. So if you don't know what this is, you can go back and watch my last video. This is the Lunar Insider wallet, and I believe it is the Ghost Butero. It's like it started off very white, but with like black stitching and stuff, and as you can see, it is not all white anymore. I have really used this thing really since I made that video. I think I might not have carried it for a couple weeks, but for the most part, for these past few months, this has pretty much been the wallet that I've used the most. I really enjoy using this wallet. I really like it. It's just so simple. It is very it's very functional, but it's easy to carry. Like it's not very big. It's not very thick. I have probably 10 cards in here, business cards, credit cards, 10, maybe like a little bit more than 10 cards in here, and a little cash. But it's still really thin, and I carry this in my back pocket, but I also carry my front pocket. Just kind of depends on what I'm wearing, and just kind of depends, you know, like if I know I'm going somewhere where I'm gonna be pulling out my wallet, like if in a drive-through, like it's easier for me to get it out of my front pocket than it is my back pocket. But I really like this wallet. I think in the video too, I mentioned that I wasn't sure about this pocket back here. I thought that maybe it'd be better over here. And honestly, I have no complaints about this wallet. I like where the pocket is. I like the functionality of it. I love that this pocket isn't like this one. I like that there is a slot back there though, but it's so easy. It's so convenient to use. You can see like this thing it's been beat up. I've carried it in the pocket with my keys. It's getting scratched, and like I don't even care that much, but you can see it is completely different than when I got it brand new. It's held up really well. It's pretty rugged. It's pretty sturdy. It's just a really neat wallet, and like I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it is so shiny. It's got like a really nice luster and sheen to it. I'm really happy with the way this wallet has worked out. 10 out of 10 would recommend, would buy again. Yeah, so that's the update on the Lunar Insider wallet. I would recommend picking it up. Good functionality. It is, I wouldn't really consider it a minimalist wallet because it can really hold quite a bit, and it really is kind of a thin profile. But yeah, so that's that. But now I'm gonna get into what I picked up to start using instead. So I picked up another wallet from Craft & Lore. I saw it and it kind of spoke to me, and I was like, oh man, this is gonna be really good too. And I was happy with it, so there it is. This thing shipped in like 2 or 3 days. It really wasn't long. It came here, like I didn't expect it till tomorrow or even the next day after that, but it came today. I was really surprised. Their packaging is always comes in just this regular little cardboard pouch box thing. But yeah, let's just get into the wallet. Try and get through this video. I'm right home after work. I saw it get delivered. My fiance was kind enough to kind of set up the camera and stuff for me because she knew I wanted to do this. But so this is like first thing after coming home from work. I'm really excited. Yeah. All right, so a little bit bigger. This is, most wallets I get, actually I'm pretty sure every wallet I've gotten, they've always come in like these linen pouches. Nothing against them, I think it's okay. They all have like this little ink stamp on them. I don't know, it doesn't really matter to me one way or the other. But here we go. Oh man, that was not how I wanted that to go. And bam, all right, there it is. Oh man, perfect. Okay, so this is the Enfold wallet, and I believe this is the full size. So I think there's a smaller Enfold card wallet, but this is the Enfold full size, I believe. And this is not the standard. This is like a, not a limited edition, but it is like a special kind of edition of the wallet, because it isn't like natural or Buck Brown or natural Chrome XL or anything like that. It is actually Wicked and Craig leather, which I think is my first wallet with leather from Wicked and Craig. And I think it's a olive green. Oh man, it is really nice. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is gonna be back pocket carry for sure. This, if you've seen photos of this and stuff, they wearing really nice. So it has 2 card slots on the back. It has a pocket in the front for cash or receipts, but it also has 2 card slots here. But yeah, as always, I like their maker's mark. I think it's the Swedish X, one of the oldest tools. Craft and Lore, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Great company. I really loved the Insider wallet, and I saw this one, and this one I just saw and I knew I wanted it, and I think I picked it up for about 70 bucks. People recently have been asking me, like, in my videos, like, how much stuff is, and maybe I've done a bad job of like telling people how much this stuff actually is. I think I picked this up for about 70 bucks, 75 bucks with shipping and stuff, and then they have like I think they had like a discount or 10% discount for mailing stuff, or I can't remember. But oh man, this is so, I don't know if it picks up on camera, but there is actually like this marbling, like this like these lines, like these, I don't know, I don't want to call it like fat wrinkles, but it's just like this weird marbling. You can't feel it, you can only really see it. But yeah, this is, and it's got like this olive green stitching on it. Super nice. I can't wait to see how, I mean, it's already kind of a dark color, so I don't know if it's going to get like a dramatic patina or anything like that. Or if it is, I don't know if I'll carry it long enough to see that. I hope to. I hope it, you know, it really changes up, but I know it'll break in, it'll get softer. I know that it's pretty, it's kind of thinner than I thought it would be, like the actual leather. So I know that this is like an ounce thicker than they usually make their Unfolds or their Enfold wallets, just because it's like Wicked and Craig and not like what they usually use. But even so, even being like a little bit thicker, like an ounce thicker, it's still pretty thin. But I can tell right away, like even like loaded up, this thing is going to be relatively thin. No complaints, super happy. Can't wait to start using it. I'm sure I'm forgetting some important stuff that I like to mention in the video, but I don't really want this to go on too long. I really like the underside, like I think this is like called the flesh side. It's green. It's yeah. This is a really cool wallet. I do like the tuck closure here too. I really don't mind it at all. This is gonna be nice to carry. Can't wait to see how it ends up. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. That was an update on the Craft and Lore Insider. This was like the ghost wax, the ghost, the Lunar Ghost is what it was called. Yeah. So, and you can see how this one broke in. It really just, it got some, it is black and in like the spots where you really, you know, got beat up or whatever, but it's really nice. Got a super nice sheen to it. Can't wait to see how this one wears in. But you can see like this is dramatically bigger than this one. But we'll see how it goes. So if people want to see an update on it, I also post pictures and stuff over on my Instagram, so you can see, like, maybe in like a few weeks or something, I'll post like an update picture or something. But if you guys want to see like an actual update video and want to see me carry this for a while, let me know. You know, just talk to me. I'm a pretty easygoing guy, and you know, I try to learn. I actually pronounced Butero as Buttero, and someone corrected me on it, but very politely corrected me, and I was like, okay, Butero, nice. So you know, just reach out to me, talk to me. I love wallets. I love leather wallets, handmade leather goods. But yeah, so that's that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.